and welcome back to MostTube. Subscribe and turn on the bell to never miss a video. Do you ever wonder what your favorite YouTube channel's most viewed videos are, or how much money they earn from just a single video? With YouTube's ad revenue, YouTube channels have the ability to place ads before, during, and after a video. The amount a YouTube video earns per 1,000 views varies between an average of $4 to $10. MrBeast, aka Jimmy Donaldson, started his channel in 2012 at the age of 13. His breakout video was him counting to 0 to 100,000. MrBeast is from Greensville, North Carolina, and currently has over 34 million subs. MrBeast is known for giving away money. He's giving away over $1 million in 2019. MrBeast's most viewed video is I put 100 million Orbeez in my friend's backyard, currently with 79,395,909 views. And with an average of $4 per 1,000 views, it's likely that MrBeast earned over $317,583.64 on average with this video.